Emotional cinnamon, trap rapping, deep sadness, real life, rainy night lonely, low vision in reality, no tracing. Vibe, New York City at midnight voice. Realistic male rapper voice. Emotion on it slightly broken. Star human emotion. Late night freestyle vibe. A slow emotional trap beat with deep. AOA bass. Radar gauge. Them the sound smoke, we had a memory. Dog and the spilling shit. Our first local flakes. Cinematic praise, so far I mad at hope. Be clap 72 the DPM mix. Savage cinematic weave on the emotional revelation range. They bring in the causes. Special effects. Rate through my day short now so. Distant silence, software transitions. Beat pause before final look for emotional road game.
Somebody watching but nobody close. All the money, all the lies got washed away. Even no brain, they forgot my name.
Yeah.
That's the only truth we ever know.
Yeah. Everything else just comes and goes. Now I'm oxygen. Heavy rain pouring over my corpse. Van man lifting me slow while the street lights distort. And the people I love, they recording from far. Scared the rain might touch them while I lay in the dark. Damn, that hit deeper than knives ever could. Spent my whole damn life trying to make it from the hood. Chase dreams, chase love, chase fake applause. Now the rain washing everything I thought I was. From heartbreak nights to apartment pain. From family fights to lonely trains. Every chapter ended the same damn way. A cold, wet night in a silent grave.
Rain falling down on the avenue lights. My whole life faded in one dark night. No change, no fame, no love remains. Only cold memories inside this rain. And the world moves on when your heartbeat dies. Same city lights under different skies. We live, we break, we love, we cried, and disappear with the New York night.
So if you love somebody, hold them close tonight. Cause one day, your whole life becomes a video from far away. Death, the only reality. Everything else, just borrowed time.